Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. We are deep in football season. The big game is coming. If you're not planning out your big game party and have your menu set now, you are behind, my friend. So today I'm going to give you another appetizer to serve. Today we're making smoked chicken parm dip. This is a great recipe to make if you're already smoking something else. You could throw the chicken breast on there along with your brisket, your pulled pork, whatever else you're doing for your big game party. So let's get started. First of all, my Yoder YS640S pellet grill is preheating to 225 degrees. What I have here is one single 1 pound chicken boob.
What did he say?
So, to go with the Italian theme, we're using Cattleman's Grill Italiano seasoning on this. I'm going to get it seasoned up on both sides. All right, and then we'll head out to the smoker. We'll see you out there. Smoker's up to temp. I have my meter probe in the chicken breast because chicken breasts are very unforgiving, unlike chicken thighs. So you do not want to get this a degree over 165. So we're going to get this in the smoker. I'm guessing it's going to take about 45 minutes for this thing to soak up some smoke and get the internal temperature to where we want it. And then we'll go back inside, let it cool down a little bit, and move on to the next step. We'll see you then. All right, as you saw, got the chicken all smoked. I got it diced up in a bowl. Now we're going to add an entire block of cream cheese to that, half a cup of sour cream, and half a cup of mayo. We love the Kewpie. A cup of shredded mozzarella, half a cup of Parmesan, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, but I'm using Spiceology's Vampire Killer. Good stuff. And a teaspoon of the Cattleman's Grill Italiano. We'll get all that mixed up. I didn't mention it, but of course you want your cream cheese to be at room temperature. Otherwise, this will be a giant pain in the woohoo.
Ass.
Insert your own woohoo here.
Did you actually just say that?
Ooh, that sounded dirty.
Truer words have never been spoken.
Oh, almost forgot. Give it a good pinch of salt and pepper too. That never hurts. All right, if you're making this at home and you are not making a YouTube video on how to make this, then all of this would go into a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. However, I want a pretty picture for my thumbnail, which might be what brought you here. So I'm gonna put some of this into a small ramekin and then the rest into a 9 by 13 inch dish. Then you're going to spread this out evenly. On top of that goes 1 cup of marinara sauce. You can make your own, you can get it out of the jar. I'm cheating and getting it out of the jar. Spread that evenly on top of your cheese layer. As I am doing all of this, my oven is preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit because 375 Celsius would be freaking insane.
Crazy.
Okay, so one of the things that makes chicken parm so damn good is the breading, right? Now we're working on that part. So I have 2 tablespoons of melted butter here. I'm going to take a cup of panko crumbs and mix that in. Once we get all that mixed up, we're going to put it on top of our dip, and then it's into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, I'm going to even that out in the oven. We'll see you in 20 to 25 minutes. Plus a little bit of cooling time so we don't melt our judge and get some judgment. See you then. All right, the dip's out of the oven. I found the most impeccable judge I could find who was dressed impeccably.
You're so funny. Very good.
So does it give you the chicken parm vibe? Mm-hmm. Can you taste the smoked flavor?
No, not really.
Okay, well, can't win them all. But definitely a great snack for the big game, the big race, the big whatever.
Definitely.
All right. Hey, thank you so much for joining us. Please leave us a comment. Where are you watching from? What's your favorite snack for the big game? Hit that like button and hit the subscribe button and become a subscriber.
Yeah, I'm not going to scald my mouth.
Okay. It must be good because she's still shoveling it in on camera. Hey, thank you so much for joining us. And until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.